Imagine for a moment you are walking through the hills of Jamaica, breathing in the fresh mountain air. You stumble upon a young orange plant, its tiny roots struggling to break through the soil. You take it and transplant it near a river, where it has everything it needs to grow strong. Over time, the tree transforms, its roots firmly embedded. Now it stands tall, providing life and nourishment to everyone who passes by. What if I told you that you are that orange tree? And 2025, it's your turn to grow, flourish, and thrive. But like the tree, it's not just about having a plan. It's about being in the right environment, nourishing your mind, and being patient with your growth. Every year, millions worldwide, including right here in Jamaica, set bold New Year's resolutions. We promise to eat better, exercise more, start that side hustle, or simply live with more intention. But as the months roll by, many of us abandon those resolutions. Why? Because we focus too much on the what and not enough on the why. Who do you want to be in 2025? That's the real question. It's not about the resolution. It's about the transformation. A fisherman in Portland once wanted to grow the sweetest mango tree in his yard. He planted the seed and watered it regularly. But as the months passed, he grew impatient. He wanted it to grow faster. Frustrated, he dug up the tree and moved it to another spot. When that didn't work, he moved it again. Years later, he realized that his constant uprooting had stunted the tree's growth. It never had a chance to thrive because he wasn't patient, and it never became the sweet, fruit-bearing tree it was destined to be. Many of us approach our goals this way. We are eager to see results, but not willing to put in the consistent work. We shift from goal to goal, giving up too soon. So, let's learn from that fisherman's mistake this year. Stay rooted. Be patient. Here's how you can stay on track. Number 1, know your why. Why do you want to get fit? Why do you want that promotion? Why do you want to start your own business? When your why is strong enough, your what becomes easier to achieve. Number 2, build a community. In Jamaica, we have a saying, one hand can't clap. Surround yourself with people who support your vision and remind yourself to keep going, even when you feel like quitting. Number 3, start small, but be consistent. If your goal is to run a marathon, don't try to run 26 miles on day 1. Start with 1 mile, then another. The small steps you take today will lead to giant leaps tomorrow. Number 4, adapt, don't abandon. There will be setbacks. Maybe you miss a workout or fall back into an old habit. Don't let that stop you. Adjust your approach, but keep moving forward. Number 5, be patient with yourself. Just like the fisherman's mango tree, growth takes time. Stay rooted in your goal and permit yourself to grow at your own pace. Think about Usain Bolt. We all know him as the fastest man on earth, but did you know that Bolt struggled with injuries early in his career? He wasn't always the champion we saw at the Olympics. There were times when he wanted to quit, times when it seemed like his body wouldn't allow him to reach his full potential. But he didn't give up. He stayed the course, stayed rooted in his purpose, and eventually his greatness unfolded for the world to see. That's the kind of determination you need in 2025. When things get tough, remember Bolt's journey. He didn't stop. He adjusted, adapted, and kept moving forward. Instead of making a resolution to do something, make a resolution to be someone. Be healthier. Be more disciplined. Be more present in your relationships. And the doing will naturally follow. So, who do you want to be in 2025? The choice is yours. Comment below and share one thing you want to be in 2025. Maybe you want to be more patient, more focused, or more courageous. Whatever it is, please write it down and commit to it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more content to help you on your journey. 2025 is yours for the taking. Let's make it a great year.